Ebusianfo my mom akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification on so that anytime you post a video, be to say we have some bekabi. Ebusianfo. Anytime Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kasa de ebunu say onya kasa pe na ntokwa any adwindwin aba eye NDC camp. Entina for I think say for a very long time ana Bawumia nyan kasa fa economy ni hu ni ateno. Na NDC for na muni just say na sometimes think say Bawumia be kasa but omunim say Bawumia be kasa e dey asem meba. Enti low key no na omo sa mo pese Bawumia be kasa. Right? And when Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia spoke, Eka say, Adia biara eye economy no enjoy se si aye kasa no. NDC for mun chire intervention na omo intervene, omo policy ben, omo promise ben na omo implement here, this our result no ba no. Ene ekoye rocket science ma NDC for. Because omo nim say all the things they are benefiting from today, none of them. Maybe the only thing I can say, omo na omo aye ni say omo entua nkrofo contractors, nurses, teachers for railway workers, and all the others are statutory payment in no omo enti obiaka. Cocoa farmers in omo enti omoka. And they for the hoarding of the money to ensure say inflation be back from the on the omabomoding. To take the gold Bawumia, and yes see what say in generations to come. Yes, you wait me I say, you will be 1,000 tons of gold. Yeah. You can be proud of her. So wait me time na kwa tons of di ko currency ni ma. And oh ye di mamo. But pa say mu policies say Women's Bank 133 24-hour economy ice cream for students no free stress and all the rest that you have. And no dear. FICO no effect. Bawumia be someone say mumbe mbana mbe ya no. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia say wope photographers omunim juma eba no editing omu twa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no touch of the way photography for omu naba air screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah a wedding funeral birthday party and I say asase bi mpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video ni drone pictures of assassina but modern say wa contact touch of the way photography bebia upe say omo ye djuma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe say birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo and the catch room say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend you mupe when you the special discount. Ebusianfo ubetimi aboaye your production na ye. As time is passing, your studio kind of saying vision ewo scanning ni ho. And then also equipment in your bebre. It might be say be more and all those things. One I'm betting me a boy. A political platform and a pro MPP political platform. And can scan one I pay and can wait make I say neutrals. And news no bar na NDC MPP news a cow be a car drink a cake. But you see a person MPP wa buy more. And no now money to me coining. So we dedicate ourselves to MPP. And no po obi ama ye one Ghana crop MPP no. And there ye Debbie. And sometimes we compare advertisers. I'm say Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo I beka say MPP for. And this for say Juma ma and to me. And ye hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, we have not worked into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us. And people do so beautifully. Kofo bi kura mo ni bi kura mo frɛ de ka den share yen crying. Is that the right tree there? He said yeah. Me wa me tree nhyɛ da nyɛ saa. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem move forward.
Atiefo. Me sorry adopa we and I miss me go to social media. Ade we na me hu ni first. Mo ma ye hia yen kenkan. Or say if you ask the NDC to name 3 new policies that they have implemented in 2025 that achieve this stability, they cannot. What do the body in some way better that? What's your young back shoe say? No. What do the body in some way better that? Hey, Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia, dear. Dr. Bawumia, dear, me bonny, dear, and this for me, didn't me. Where your friend neck pressing. But say, and this one. And this medium people for be trouble poor 24 hours economy no policy one bay. If you ask the NDC to name 3 new policies that they implemented in 2025 that achieved this stability, they cannot. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia NOCA. Wa won table of me baba chire mu. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say wuchi NDC ni gina ho. Na wo bisane eniama 3 a wo mo ba power yi. Wo mo aba beye policy 3 a wo mo ba power yi. Wo mo aba beye ma Ghana fo a. Wo mo bobo 3 a wo mo ntimi nka. What would the policy aba? MPP for wo mo paper we. Ana wo mo ka kire Ghana for say to abama me na meye free SHS bank. Ana Ghana for to abama MPP ba power within 1 year free SHS. Wo mo aye. Wo so aba power ana wo ka kire Ghana for ope power. NDC ope power ana wo ka kire Ghana for say Ghana for to abama. Na ye to abama wie na wo ba power. Obeye 24 hours economy. Ana Ghana for ahwe so ato abama. What about power? Ye 24 hours economy policy no. Ye na maninjia. Why you been say wonye? Me akoma. Mo me share video we. Mo me share mesra mo me share video we.
I say politics is dirty. Enti wo de say ba politics aka nia nipa se omote. Enso ye NDC de ye ntesa. Ni ebetimi aye ene eka yen hyebo se nipa ento mayɛ abra ye nim se yentimi nye
When the answer me president kan what say what okay mommy share this video is mommy aso nhwe
se edru election time na amanyoko bia epre nti ne obeka bia ama nipa akoma adane ama o eno na obeka nti entra now they film no cry now they film ya de frafra no cry no ho yenka na ya de intro film
where you fed a neck pressing. me kai emre na me ko school na emre me ko school no me classmate for LG post e wo school no ni obi di school compound vasia no obi di class prefect no obi di a house girl no post akese no na me ka se me kwa di post ni bi no me class teacher Oshomani mi di na oka kire me say wo memo teasing prophet Everyone go school me teasing wa mo bedroom so me kai ya tro exams na ya tro no results ne by na me class na me na mawe nimpa na ya nam 15 na nimpa oto so third no nimpa oto so third no nimpa oto so third no me tizi na ama the whole school bi ehu so ne na ware it's me a me party me a me party now you me say me a me party me say 2026 when go na wie you know na 24 hours economy policy no me the MPP for NDC form poa ma sa policy no ebebam opo wumpo ebebam me social media wo ade aye asi me ndi watem me so me nka asaba ya wo ya me ko for wo video di ama aba dia be tizi obo so wunya ya oba chime untime ntime we are from the neck pressing therefore me need data mun send me scan mfanye data what na mama nka asem bi kire otifo me poto app bi aba ye friend Aris Property Limited Aris Property Limited se wo pese wo ye tailor ni anaso se wo asase a wo pese wo ton ana wo edan a wo pese wo ton anaso se wo hotel a wo pese wo de ma wayi amanfo ebedemu a mesrew Play Store na ko download the Aris Property Limited na register for free na adwuma bi a wo pese wo ye no register fato app no so app na kasa